Okay. Subject is digital electronics. Topic is TTL NAND gate. Here the simplest form of TTL NAND gate is shown. The emitter terminals of the Q1 are input terminals. These are the input terminals. The collector of the Q3 is output terminal. If one of the input is 0 in this A and B, the corresponding emitter junction is forward biased. The collector junction is reverse biased. Hence, transistor Q1 goes into the saturation region. The base of Q2 is at low voltage because this is reverse bias condition. This junction is reverse bias condition. The base of Q2 is at low voltage. Q2 is off condition. The output is high. The output is taken from the VCC, so it is high. Whenever one of the input is low, if both inputs are high, both the emitter junctions are driven to reverse bias. Okay, both emitter junctions are reverse biased. Q1 is in cutoff region and collector voltage. This collector voltage increases. This voltage forward biases the Q2. Q2 goes into the saturation and output is low because the ground terminal is connected to the ground. So output is low. Thus, if any or all the inputs are logic 0, the output is logic 1. If all inputs are at logic 1, the output is logic 0. Hence, the circuit function as NAND gate from the truth table 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. This is the NAND gate operation of the This is the open collector TTL NAND gate circuit. Okay, this is the open collector TTL NAND gate circuit. The circuit is similar to previous circuit. Okay, transistor Q2 is used as a emitter follower circuit. The output of the Q2 is fed to the input of the transistor Q3. Collector of Q3, Q2 are in phase. The circuit needs an external resistor between output and power supply. Okay, output and power supply. The circuit works properly. External pull-up resistor is connected between the VCC and output. The disadvantage of open collector gate is their slow switching operation. The pull-up resistor is few kilo ohms, gives the relative long time constant when multiplied by the stay output capacitance. It's worst when output goes from low to high. The operation is simple. If any inputs of the Q1 transistor is low, emitter junction forward biases and collector junction reverse biases this low voltage applied at the input. So Q2 is in off state and Q3 also in off state. So we connect the pull-up resistor. So output will be taken from the VCC. So it is high output. If the both inputs are high, the emitter junctions are driven in the reverse bias, it is forward bias, it is in a forward bias. So Q2 is on. When Q2 is on, the Q3 is also on. So the output will be taken from the ground. So the output is 1. This is the NAND gate operation of the open collector circuit. This is the NAND gate with the totem pole output. In this circuit Q1 and 4 kilo ohms resistors like as a 2 input AND gate. The remaining circuit acts as a inverter. Transistors Q3 Q4 form a totem pole connection, that is one NPN transistor, two NPN transistors in series with each other. So it is called the arrangement of totem pole. With the totem pole output stage, either Q3 or Q4 is on. When Q3 is on, the output is high. When Q4 is high, the output is low. If A or B is low, the Q1 conducts and base voltage of the Q2 is almost 0. The Q2 is cut off, hence Q4 goes into the cutoff. Q3 base is high. Q3 acts as a emitter follower. The output is VCC. So the output is Y is high. If A and B are high, Q1 does not conduct. Q2 of the base goes to the high. Q4 goes into the saturation with this base voltage and hence output is low. The drop across the diode keeps the base emitter diode of the Q3 is reverse biased. Hence Q3 is off or else conducts slightly when output is low. Now Q4 conducts when the output is low. Totem pole transistor produce a low output impedance. This is the main point. When Q3 is conducting, the output impedance is approximately 70 ohms. When Q4 is conducting saturated, the output impedance is only 12 ohms. Hence the output impedance of the totem pole circuit is low and stray output capacitance is charged or discharged through the low output impedances. Hence the output can change quickly from one state to another. This is the circuit operation of the TTL NAND gate with totem pole output.